Welcome to our channel. In last lecture, we discussed about some matrices. Now, in that lecture, I forgot some things. Now, I will explain about everything about matrices. I think some their types and their properties. For example, firstly, we have discussed how we denote a matrice. Generally, we will be denoted by capital letters A, B, C, D, and the elements of these matrices are denoted by small letter A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Let we have a matrix A such that then we denote this matrix by Aij such that M cross N, where M denotes number of rows and N denotes number of columns. Okay, now we take example such that A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then our total elements m into n equal to 12. 12 elements. Okay. Where order is, we have how many rows we have? 1 row, 2 row, 3 rows. So it is will be 3. Now how many column we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the order is 3 cross 4. That is the order. Then A will be denoted Aij 3 cross 4, where I should be less than equal to 1, less than equal to 3, 1 less than equal to I, less than equal to 4, J. These will be row and this is column. Okay. Now we come to a what is principal diagonal matrix, principal diagonal line of square matrix. That is diagonal principal diagonal line. Okay, we have a matrix A equal to, sorry, we have A equal to Aij such that I m cross n. Then principal diagonal element of Aii such that, so for principal diagonal, firstly m equal to n. That is, we have to be a square matrices. Sorry, we have a square matrices. Okay, then A, order of A, then n cross n. Okay, now come to our next point, that what is principal diagonal for for these square matrices. So A equal to, then we write A11, A12 up to A1n, A21 up to A2n, AN1 up to ANN. Principal diagonal, principal diagonal of A is equal to A11, A22 up to ANN, means I equal to J, Aij such that I equal to J, which contains in this principal diagonal. Okay, now we are come to our next topic is super diagonal line. Super diagonal line. Super diagonal line is such that Aij such that is J equal to I plus 1 for every I equal to 1, 2 up to n minus 1. That is, we will see by this example. This is the our diagonal A11, A22. So this A23. Then this is here A n minus 1. This is principal diagonal and this is the super diagonal. Now we come our next point is what is row matrix. If we have in A matrix equal to Aij m cross n, row matrix if and only if m equal to 1, that is a equal to a1 aij 1 cross n. It is the form of a11 a12 up to a1n. Similarly, we can see that is a column matrix. Column matrix is of the form a equal to a11 a12 to a1n, sorry, a21 up to an1. This is n cross 1 order matrix. We have n row and 1 column. Okay, now we already discussed about zero matrix, diagonal matrix. Okay, what is diagonal matrix? We have discussed upper triangle matrices, and we have identity matrix we have discussed. So firstly we will discuss about property of diagonal matrices. Properties of diagonal matrices. A diagonal matrix, what is diagonal matrices? If aij equal to 0, if I not equal to j. Diagonal matrices, so that is a general form of diagonal matrices is a11 a22 ann, here 0 and here 0. Okay, so properties of these matrices are, so write down first property. If a is a diagonal matrices, let a is a diagonal matrices, then k into a is diagonal. Okay, a plus and b is a diagonal matrix, then a plus b diagonal matrix, a into b diagonal, and a की power m also a diagonal matrix. Okay, now we come to our next matrix is scalar matrix. A is said to be scalar matrix if a is in the form of a into ki, where k belongs to real number, complex number, or any field. Example is a equal to 500 050 then a, this will be equal to 5i, so 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, now we come to our next topics of matrices is we already discussed about addition of matrices. Now we will be discuss about the scalar multiplication of a matrices. Scalar multiplication of a matrix. ठीक है, let, sorry, what happened. Okay, let we have matrix a aij of m cross n, then k belongs to r, then ka is of the form k a11 k a12 to k a1n k a21 k a2n k anm, sorry, m, we have m rows, and k amn. Okay, now we come to the matrices multiplication. Matrix multiplication, as we conclude that uh, we do addition of two matrices if and only if they have same order, right? But multiplication, we do multiplication of two matrices A, B. Matrices A and B is A, B if and only if number of columns of A equal to number of rows in B. Okay, let we have A matrices A equal to AI, sorry, Aij M cross N, and B equal to a Bij, sorry, B Bij equal to P cross R. So the multiplication is multiplication A comma B is defined if and only if A n equal to P. Okay, so A into B equal is uh, Aij M cross N, Bij N cross R equal to, let we define C equal to AB. So C equal to Cij M cross R. Okay, and so A B, let A equal to Aij N cross N. We take simple example M cross N. Okay, so B equal to Bij N cross M. Okay, तो ए बी इक्वल टू सी आई जे, इसका ऑर्डर क्या होगा एन क्रॉस एम, और डी एक मैट्रिक्स ले लेता हूँ बी कोमा ए, वो हो जाएगा डी आई जे, उसका ऑर्डर कितना हो जाएगा एन क्रॉस एन. तो क्लियरली वी कैन सी दैट सी नॉट इक्वल टू डी. तो व्हाट वी कंक्लूड दैट द मैट्रिक्स ए बी एंड बी ए नॉट इक्वल टू, मतलब कि मैट्रिक्स दे डोंट कम्यूट जनरली. दैट इज matrices, multiplication of matrices, multiplication of matrices not commute, or matrices, multiplication of two matrices not commute. Okay, let we have three matrices A, B, C, then it's associative with respect to multiplication, that is A, B, C equal to A into BC. Okay, now we come to another point. Let in general, in real numbers, we know that AB equal to numbers A comma B. So A dot B equal to 0 if and only if A equal to 0, either A equal to 0 or B equal to 0. But it matrices AB equal to 0 not implies that either A equal to 0 or B equal to 0. This is true, but this is not true. It one way, either if A equal to 0 or B equal to 0, then it implies that AB equal to 0, but not but inverse not possible. Okay, firstly we take example of matrix multiplication, then we will be come to this point. Okay, A equal to 1 2 3 4, and then B equal to, we have number of 2 cross 2, so then its row is 2, column any, so the order of C equal to AB. तो C का ऑर्डर क्या होगा, दिस इज 2 क्रॉस 1, तो 2 क्रॉस 1, we multiply these two row by these two, and that is equal to 1 into 2 प्लस में 2 into 2 नाउ दिस बाई दिस, तो 3 इंटू 2 प्लस में 4 इंटू 2, तो सी क्या हो जाएगा अपना, 2 दूनी 4 6 और 6 सॉरी 14, इट्स ऑर्डर ऑफ 2 क्रॉस 1. ओके, this it's an example of matter multiplication. Now we take a equal to 0 0 2 0, b equal to 0 0 0 0 3, then we multiply by this, ab equal to 0 0 plus 0, this into this 0 plus 0, this into this 0 plus 0, and this into this 0 plus 0 equal to 0. We can see that a not equal to 0, b not equal to 0, but ab equal to 0.